everyone, my name is Livia. Today I am going to do an activity on osmosis from chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. The definition of osmosis is the movement of a solution from high concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So now let's see some concepts on study of osmosis. Here the solute is more and here the solute is less, and here the solute moving from high concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Can you see that there are high concentration, high solute, and here there's low solute. So here you can see the direction of arrows also. And here in this concept we can see it is a sugar solution, it's a pure water solution. Here there's less solvent, and here there's a more solvent. So here this high free energy is moving towards low free energy. This arrow marks the direction. This is showing the direction. Through a semi-permeable membrane, they are moving from high free energy to low free energy. And in the third concept, this is a semi-permeable membrane, but in this semi-permeable membrane, it is a potato. We are keeping a potato, and in a Petra dish, we are going to keep a sugar solution, which is a low free. No, in this potato, inside the potato, we are going to keep a sugar solution, which is low free energy, and in the Petra dish, we are going to keep a pure water, which is a high free energy. So let's guess what will happen in this concept. Whether the osmosis will take place, what will happen if the osmosis takes place in this concept. So the things required to do this concept are, to this activity are distilled water, pins, Petra dish, sugar solution, potatoes, knife, peeler, and a cutting wood table. So let's start the experiment. So first we should take a potato and we should peel the potato. We should peel a potato. After the peeling the potato, you should take a knife and cut the sides of the potato. After cutting the sides of the potato, you should take the concave side and create a cavity in the potato with the help of a knife. First you should create a cavity in the potato. And like this you should keep a hole. Like this you should keep a hole, and just like this, a second potato what I did before. And now keep this potato over here and take a pin and keep this measurements till here to pour the sugar solution till here. Okay, now take this 20% sugar solution. 20% sugar solution, and now pour the sugar solution into the potato. Okay, afterwards you should take the distilled water and pour it in the Petra dish. Pour it in a Petra dish. Now we should wait for 2 hours or more than 2 hours to see the osmosis taking place in this process. That's afterwards we will see what will happen. Okay, now let's come back to our experiment, which is study of osmosis. Now you can see that here, first we kept a pin till red pin, that we poured that sugar solution till here. Now you can see that the water level growed. I kept a green pin here. Now the water level growed because of osmosis. Here when we left, because of pure water which is present in the Petra dish, is a high free energy which is passed into the solution, which is a low free energy, which is a sugar solution. So through a semi-permeable membrane, which is potato. So the osmosis definition is High concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. Here the same thing happened, but the potato is a semi-permeable membrane which acts as an osmometer. Thank you.